Welcome! If you've ever used stars in Gmail to mark important emails but now want to clean things up, this video is just for you. Today, we'll walk through how to remove a star from an email right inside the Gmail app. Simple, quick, and completely up to date. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account where the starred emails are saved. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the familiar menu icon, the one that looks like 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap that. A menu will slide open with several options. From here, tap on Starred. This will show you every email that you've marked with a star. It's a handy feature for keeping track of messages, but sometimes we star a message we no longer need pinned. That's when it's time to remove it. Now, scroll through your starred list and long press on the email you want to unstar. You'll notice that the email becomes highlighted, meaning it's been selected. Once that's done, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap the 3 dots, also known as the More Options menu. From the list that pops up, simply tap Remove Star. Instantly, that email will disappear from your starred list. It's that easy. The message will stay in your inbox, but it's no longer marked with a star, helping you keep things more organized and clutter-free. If you ever change your mind or want to start it again, just open that email and tap the star icon next to the sender's name and it'll pop right back into your starred folder. Simple, right? Keeping your Gmail organized doesn't need to be complicated. By removing stars from emails you no longer need highlighted, you'll make it much easier to find the messages that truly matter. And that's it. You've just learned how to quickly remove stars from emails using the Gmail app. Don't forget to stay tuned for more easy tech guides like this one.